Hey guys, Minecraft Boys here. Welcome back to another video. And today I'm going to be doing a review set on set 4.33, and this is the dirtbike transporter set. It's ages 5 to 12. It has 201 pieces. It is the like I said before, dirtbike transporter, and it comes with 2 booklets and I think that's it. Oh yeah, and the stickers. Some stickers. So, okay. Let's see. Okay, so there is this booklet for the back part of it, for the dirt bikes to go on. And there's the truck. And I just built them, I just finished. Here, let me just take the camera. Put this here. Here is the back part to it. Show you guys the upward part. Here's what it looks like. It comes with 2 dirt bikes and 2 people. There's a person inside of there. And yeah, you can take off these helmets. They fold up. Can I put this back on? Okay. And here's like little gas tanks or something, or like air tanks, and 2 dirt bikes. They're getting hold on by that piece right there. It's like a kickstand right there. It's just like on this side too. And then here is the toolbox where all the tools goes, and believe it or not, there's actually tools in here. There's a wrench, something, bottom one. There's nothing in there. Most of the tools are on the side. Don't you eat! Stop it! Stop it! I make a video. Okay. And then Chewie, no one likes you. Okay. And then this one's kind of hard to open because it has like 2 tools in there. And then let me just take it out. Take out the. Just like that. There we go. It has these in there. Those tools. Let me just put them back in. Come on back. That one goes there. And then this one goes right there. Just put them in there. Ow. Okay. There we go. Put this back on because it's starting to come on. This one right there. This one right there. Yes. Okay. Now let's move on to the truck. Now the truck here, I got a text. The truck here is this. Pretty cool. It's got a bunch of colors on the bottom. And here's one of it. It has a new like little kind of like layer thing. The guy. There's no doors, so the only door on this is the back one. Okay. These parts are here for the flag. Just put them on this because, you know, I didn't want to put them in the back. There's no room. Oh yeah, and it does come with parts, extra parts. Let me grab them inside of my pocket. These extra parts. Here's a drill, a green piece, a black pole, kickstand, gas thing, helmet, and a wrench. So those. Wait, let me check to see if there's any more. No, there's no more. Okay, so yeah, there's the Lego dirt bike transporter. Hope you guys enjoyed that, and I'll show you guys something. Just wait. Let me just attach him for a second. Shit. Okay. There we go.